Welcome to our channel. In today's guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process to activate your SBI ATM card and set up your ATM PIN. This guide is designed to make your banking experience smoother and more secure. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather required information. Before you begin, ensure you have the following information handy: your SBI ATM card, your registered mobile number, your SBI bank account details. Step 2. Locate an SBI ATM. Find the nearest SBI ATM. You can use the bank's mobile application or website to find one quickly. Step 3. Insert your ATM card. Once at the ATM, insert your SBI ATM card into the machine. Make sure the card is facing the correct way as indicated on the ATM screen. Step 4. Choose your language. After inserting your card, select your preferred language for the transaction from the options displayed on the screen. Step 5. Enter your card number. If prompted, enter your 16-digit ATM card number. The ATM may require you to perform this step along with card insertion. Step 6. Choose to activate the card. Select the option for card activation. This may be labeled as Activate ATM Card or something similar, depending on the ATM interface. Step 7. Input your temporary PIN. You will be required to input the temporary PIN provided by SBI when you received your card. If you don't have a temporary PIN, please contact SBI customer service for assistance. Step 8. Set your new ATM PIN. Once the temporary PIN is successfully entered, you will be prompted to create a new 4-digit ATM PIN. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Enter your new PIN twice to confirm it. Step 9. Completion confirmation. After setting your new PIN, the ATM will confirm the successful activation of your card and the creation of your PIN. Keep the receipt if provided, as it contains important transaction information. Step 10. Test your new PIN. To ensure everything is set up correctly, you can perform a small transaction, such as checking your balance. Insert your card, enter your new PIN, and select the option to check your balance. And that's it. You have successfully activated your SBI ATM card and set up your PIN. For any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to SBI customer support. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides. Thank you for watching.